Morning and welcome to Dungeness Mini Railway. We're going to be going to Dymchurch. We're going to go on a little steam train from Dungeness, so we're going to go all the way down to Dymchurch and we're going to go and have a look and see what's there, and we're going to come back. Hello. You okay? You looking forward to your train journey? Hey. Oh, that was a good train sound. Going to be going in a second. All aboard! Whoa, here we go.
Shut the door.
Do you not like the door opens, Zack?
Close.
Oh, wave to the people.
Wave, people.
Wave. Wave.
Wave to the lady.
Oh, look, lots of people to wave to. Wave, 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 lady. Bye. Have a good trip. Side the train's on. Aha, it's this side. That looks cool, doesn't it, Zack? Oh, look at that. It smells good, doesn't it? Do you like that smell, Zack?
Do you think Grandma's on the train?
See the pilot with their new extension. They go across the crossing. That wave. Oh, that sounds good. He's flapping like a good one. He's flapping away in there. Oh, I can't even move it. It's very peaceful now, isn't it?
Next stop is...
You want to control the doors? You want the doors to yourself? Can you stand up, or will you hit your head on the ceiling? on the subway, don't you? On the underground. Oh, what's after this tunnel, Zack?
This one. Yeah, stop here.
You know where you are now, don't you? Where are you?
Here with the model
What's it
train.
called? What's it called? What's this station called?
New Romney.
It's lovely when you come into the there's a
That's a nice one.
the money shot. I thought that when we went past it, I thought that was our train. I like to freak him out with it.
Hey, cheese!
Bit too big, the queue, I think, now.
Yeah, just a bit.
Annoying, because it smells good. Right, donuts?
Yeah.
Whoa! That you've got your sunglasses over your normal glasses.
You think we sit? Zack, do you want to sit back? Then
But where do the waves come from?
The sea.
Zack,
Why do the waves come from the
Zack,
sea?
put your thumb.
The wind and the moon's gravity create the waves.
Yeah, where's the moon?
Can't see them, mate.
Don't drop your drink.
Not quite as good as fish and chips, but it's pretty good. You can't see Dungeness. It's all a bit foggy, a bit hazy out there. Show me his face. Whoa, whoa! You gonna bite his head? Go on then.
He's real.
Go on then.
Is he real?
Yeah. Ah! Don't eat me. Ah! Don't bite my head. Look at his face. How can you eat that? Go on then. Bite him.
The posts are definitely showing.
Is it don't bite your head?
Go on.
Or another cookie, Robert.
That looks like a good cookie. Mmm. That, look, there's a bit of sand down there. There's a bit that's drying out down there as well, look.
Yeah, there is.
So actually we're going to stand on a bit of sand.
We don't stand in that one bit of sand.
Jump! Oh, and then you sink. I am sinking a bit. Whoa. That looked well good. Whoa. That one bit there looks really deep still.
Hang on, Zacky.
How strange. Heading back to Dungeness now.
Can you shut the door?
No, I want it open.
Gone over a crossing.
Yeah, it's there.
Sweet. Zack, you in the children's seat. Oh, look at that. You've got it all to yourself. Look at that. Lovely.
There you go. All the windows are shut now.
Very nice. Whoa, we go for a tunnel. Whoa.
Don't drop the camera this time.
Right. Wonder what that whistle was about. Or is this because we're coming into New Romney? New Romney now. Look, there's a red engine here.
Winston Churchill, it's called.
Open the door, Daddy, so you can let me. Can we start on the front? Mummy, he's a teacher.
Watch your fingers.
We had that diesel.
And here we go. Back to Dungeness.
Next stop, Dungeness. We parked over there once.
What did you say?
We went to the ice cream over. We parked over there once.
Got two trains.
Yeah! Dungeness Beach. With a shingle anyway.
He was known as the Scarecrow of the Marsh, right?
You got that, haven't you?
Yeah. So he was dressed as a scarecrow. And every year, in Dymchurch, where everyone dresses up.
Is it cold?
Look at that one. Oh yeah. That's mine. Zack, did you enjoy your train ride?
Yeah, that's fun.
The state of your face. Look at it. I don't know how you always manage to get ice cream on your nose. Quite strange.
Ice cream bush.
Nobody's not.
Have a good trip.
Keep waving. What did you say to her?
Have a nice trip.
Have a nice trip. Hi, have a good trip. Have a good trip. Yay, have a good trip.
Goodbye.
The next train doesn't arrive at platform.
Yeah, it came to
Each.
55
For
altogether.
all of us, so two
one
adults and a child.
That's a return ticket.
Yeah, so that's pretty cool.
Yeah, it's not too bad.
I think you like waving at people.
Yeah.
What did you like to do today? Waving at people on the train.
Yeah. It so to go from Dungeness to Dymchurch, it takes about 50 minutes, but you do stop at a couple of stops along the way. But it does go really fast. There's so much to see.
It didn't feel like 50 minutes, did it? It probably felt like half an hour because it was so enjoyable.
Yeah.
Yeah, time flies when you're on the Romney, Hythe and Dymchurch Railway.